Hi, I'm Chloe with Cricut, and today I have a pretty fun video for you. Now, as we know, Cricut can cut a variety of different materials, but today we'll be testing 3 of them to see if Cricut can cut it. So with that, let's get started. So today we'll be using one of my fave machines, a Cricut Maker, and then we'll be cutting some cardstock and some felt, very bendy, and something that you might not have thought about, but is most likely already in your house, but a cereal box. So with that, let's get to cutting. So our first material that we're cutting is going to be cardstock, and I have that on our light grip mat. I'm going to load it into our machine and see if it will cut it. So now I'm just gonna take off the cardstock and see if it cut. It's perfect, love it. But now that you know you can cut cardstock, you can make super duper fun projects like this 3D owl. The second material that we will be testing is felt, which I have on our standard grip mat. So I'm gonna load that into the machine and see if it can cut it. So let's take the felt off the mat and see how it cut. Oh, love that, amazing cut. And now that you know you can cut felt, you can make super cute projects like this felt bag key charm. So for our cereal box, we're gonna need to change our fine point blade to our deep point blade. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm just loading that into clamp B. So I have this cereal box here, which I have pre-cut a rectangle from. Do not worry, the cereal will be eaten later, but I have then put that rectangle on this strong grip mat. And so then I'm going to load it into my machine and see if it can cut it. So let me take the cereal box off this mat and see how it cut. And pro tip, you can turn your mat upside down to help get something off. And super good cut. So now that you know you can cut cereal boxes, you can make something really cool like this little lamp, which does in fact turn on. Now, quick disclaimer, make sure that you're using an LED lamp. Because this is made of paper, it is flammable, so please be smart. Thanks for crafting with me on this video, and now you know that Cricut can cut cardstock, felt, and even a cereal box. And with that, I'm gonna get myself back to crafting. So, bye. Don't be stupid. Do not set your house on fire.